Hi everyone, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use a data alert in Image Hunter. Before I begin, if you have any more questions about Image Hunter in general, feel free to check out our introduction video, which is also found on our how-to page, and you can get there by clicking this little help button. In terms of making a data alert, it's very straightforward. You'll want to click this little alert button and enter your info here. Now there's two key things you want to keep in mind here in regards to your AOI meaning area of interest. You can use an on-screen polygon, so I'll just show you here. If I were to go ahead and upload one and it were already on the screen, or make one, I'll just do one real quick. You can make one here, and then I would click data alert, and if I have that selected, it will pull for that particular polygon. Now I could also upload one, so I'll go ahead and do that real quick here. I have a shape file that I have saved, and you'll want to make sure that your files that you upload are either in shape format or KMZ format and in the WGS84 projection. With that in mind, simply enter your name, phone number, and your company. And lastly, enter a description in terms of what you're trying to achieve and any other things that might be pertinent for your project, and we'll make sure to keep those in mind. Now, probably the most important thing that you got to keep in mind on a data alert is the resolution. You'll want to define the maximum acceptable resolution that you can work with. So I'll put it to 2 meters for this. And what that means is when we receive this data alert on our end, we know to look for something that's 2 meters in resolution or better for you. We will look every day until we find something, and the minute we do find something that we think could work for your needs, we'll reach out to you via email. And that's really all you got to do. Just click submit, and that will end up in our inbox, and we'll start looking for you the same day. Now, if you have any other questions, again, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can click the email us tab down here on the green bar or call us on the number below. Thanks, and have a great day.